To enable flash notifications on a Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Here in Settings, we're going to scroll down and we want to proceed to Accessibility. Over here in Accessibility, we should be able to open Hearing Enhancements menu, and then we can find Flash Notification. Now, once we open Flash Notification, we can find two options. You can use the camera flash notification. We can easily enable this. And also we can choose apps in which the camera flash should be, or with which apps the camera flash notification should be working. We can also find the screen flash notification. So instead of using the camera flash, we can have the screen flash that looks like this. Of course, we can choose the color as well, just like you would expect to. And then over here, we can also choose apps for which this feature, or with which the feature should work. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.